Here's a quick note for you guys that are campaigning SV650s in Moto America or in your club. I just made a whole bunch of these BRG SV650 super light subframes. They weigh in at 1.5 pounds. So if you're serious about racing, you want to get some weight off of your bike, well, here you go. They work with the stock seat and the stock bodywork just fine. But if you want to use like a Gixxer 600 tail section, as you can see, it's easily modified. All you need to do is have a post welded on the back of it, or you can go full race, get rid of the seat, and just have a foam pad. As you can see, the whole assembly, the tail section, the seat, and the subframe weigh in at 3.25 pounds. The subframes are made out of 6061 plasma cut into the shape here, then bent, and then reinforcement put into it. It's the bends that give it its strength. And I've been told by a number of customers, very crash friendly. Would like to thank Fuzzy for the fantastic work of making these rascals. If you got any questions, give us a call. We're here to help.